Well, well, well. It's been a long time, my friends. Remember me?
Okay, it's not that bad. Hey guys, how's it going? Hope you're having a great day. It's so good to see you after so long. So much has changed since the pandemic. The hair is gone, the beard is long. That's quite a change, I'd say. Do you remember the last time I was on camera? I had like 3,000 subscribers and now I have more than 70,000 subs. That is insane. And that's a lot of pressure. I don't even remember how to do this. Damn. Anyways, in today's video I'm gonna be talking about the Symmetry tool in Procreate and how you can use that tool to generate quick ideas and character concept art. So without wasting any more time, let's do this! So to use the Symmetry feature in Procreate, you need to go to Settings, which is here on top, then go to this icon which says Canvas and enable Drawing Guide. After that, go to Edit Drawing Guide and on the bottom right corner you'll see Symmetry. Now you can choose the type of symmetry you want to enable and you can experiment with all of them, but for now I'm gonna choose Vertical Symmetry. Up here you can also change the color of this guiding line that divides the canvas. Now I'm gonna select the black color, go to Brushes and select some kind of drawing or ink brush and I'll start drawing. Usually I draw on the right side of the canvas and it's mirrored on the left side. I did not really have a plan before I started drawing this, so I'll just default into doing some kind of a silhouette character with long ears. I don't know why I always make these, but they are really fun to create. I'll add some gray midtones on the head, over the eyes and on the nose, and then refine the shadows. This way of painting is really similar to sculpting because, you know, just like in sculpting, you keep on adding clay at some places and chipping it away from other places to create a form. Similarly, I'm adding highlights and shadows at places to bring out the form of a face. It's super fun. Now this reminds me of the elves in Skyrim. I had a friend like this in Skyrim. We used to go to adventures together, but then I took an arrow to the knee. What a shame. Now I'm moving on to create some quick character concepts. Most of today's characters will be some kind of celestial beings combined with elves or maybe Kunari from Dragon Age. So it'll be based on fantasy, of course. I'll just be experimenting with different design language. This character that I'm drawing right now also kind of reminds me of the people from Asgard. You know, the guys from the Thor movies, maybe Heimdall, and also of the Guardians of the White Tree of Gondor from the Lord of the Rings films. This guy has broad shoulders, he's muscular, wears a heavy metal armor, and has a pretty intimidating helmet with sharp pointy ends. So this also looks some kind of a guardian character. Now I was planning to do just a rough sketch at this point, but I was really enjoying the process, so I kinda got carried away and worked a bit more on this. But that's fine, I mean, it's not time wasted, but time utilized. Now I have created this cool looking character, but what do I do with it? It looks like this could be a really cool character card illustration. So let's try turning it into that. But wait, I don't know how to draw the intricate details and patterns and cool looking frames for this card. So what do I do? Yes, you guessed it right. I go to Envato Elements, search for a cool template with lots of variations, download the PSD file, open it up on my computer and insert my character drawing into that template. Look how pretty it looks. Now how do I know that it looks good on an actual printed card? Is there a way to find out? Absolutely. I go to Envato Elements once again and find a cool card mockup. Download it on my computer, open it up in Photoshop and put my artwork on this mockup, and oh my god, this looks really cool and I'd print it out right now, but I should contain my excitement for now because I have got a video to finish. But before even that, I'd like to thank Envato Elements for sponsoring this video. If you don't know what it is, it's a must-have library of endless resources to fulfill all of your creative needs. It has all sorts of stuff including high-quality stock photos, footage, fonts, music, templates, 3D, and everything you need to crank up the quality of your creative project. It's extremely useful and really affordable. Check out the link in the description to get your subscription, and that'll be the best decision you'll make today. Alright, back to the video. For this next character, I'm not imagining another warrior or guardian, but I'm thinking a monk. priest, a religious figure maybe. So instead of drawing armor on this guy, I'm sketching robes and posed him in some kind of a meditation pose. So yeah, that'll be the second one. For the third one, I wanted to try something else, so I decided to draw a creature. Now I have this gigantic creature in mind that has a huge body and thin legs dropping down at the sides. Maybe it's a floating creature, or maybe it walks like a spider. I added some pointy ends at the legs and on the head to make it look more dangerous and menacing. For the fourth character, I was thinking of a bull-like creature who is also a Viking. I know that sounds bizarre. A bull Viking? But yeah, I was thinking the head shaped like a bull and then the clothes of fur and leather. And I know you might think what a stupid idea it is. A bull wearing clothes of leather which is obtained from another bull's skin? No. Just stop. Maybe it's not from another bull. Maybe it's from a goat, a sheep, whatever. And don't tell me that in this twisted, screwed up world, this bull can't wear the skin of another. Don't tell me that in films you haven't seen a human wear a necklace of another human's ears. I mean, don't get me wrong, I don't appreciate the idea, but come on. In fantasy fictional worlds, that happens. Moving on to the next one. Now all of the characters that I've made before, I started with a silhouette and a base shape and then refined it into different forms. But for this one, I changed the approach a little bit and started with a line drawing. Now this character is a bit more like the first two in terms of the overall design language and it being an unusually long-limbed celestial being with horns on the head. I gotta say, this character has some strange anatomy. Once I finished the line drawing, I started adding some grayscale values, some darks and some lights to make it a bit more interesting. For the last one, I went a bit crazy drawing his head. Not the typical horns you saw on the previous characters, and not the pointy helmet either. This one is something else. I'll just be focusing on creating some interesting shapes and transforming them into an actual body of this character. I love this kind of sketching. It allows me to not care about making the drawing look pretty and detailed, but to focus more on the design aspects, and to truly experiment and explore the forms to create something new or even strange. By the way, if you guys try to create something like this, please feel free to show it to me on my Discord. I always look at your artwork on the Discord server from time to time. So join the Discord, links in the description. I ended up giving this character some kind of burnt wings which look like branches of a tree. And to create a uniformity in the design, I also changed the style of the head by putting some branches on it. And here's the final result of all the sketches done in this video. Alright guys, hope you liked this video. If you did, please don't forget to leave a thumbs up. If you're new to this channel, hit that subscribe button, click on the notification bell so you don't miss any of the future videos. Alright, see you in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.